If you are a Jamaican living overseas, do not skip this video. 10 years ago, if you lived in Kingston and wanted to send something to a family in Mandeville, they may as well be on another planet, right? But now, with the new toll road, they are much closer. And that is exactly what we are and who we are. My fellow Jamaicans living in places like Chicago, Atlanta, Texas, Las Vegas, and Colorado, when it comes to sending things back home to your loved ones, you may as well be on another planet. But times are changing and technology is helping us remove the geographical boundaries. Now, I'm going to tell you what over 20,000 Jamaicans living overseas just like you already know. That is correct. We're not a new company. We're just new to you. Now, the concept of online shopping is not new to you. You already purchase half of what you use online. And when you do so, you often get free shipping for more than 90% of the time. Now, this is a very simple concept. Please follow along with me. My name is Robert Taylor and I am the Chief Operating Officer of Shipquicker. And when you create your free shipping account with Shipquicker, we are going to give you a US mailbox address that is unique to you. And when you shop online, this is where you send your items. When these items are delivered to your mailbox, they are processed and shipped directly to the destination in Jamaica that you desire. Now, look at that. I just built a new toll road in front of your eyes. I just connected places like Chicago, Atlanta, Texas, Las Vegas, and Colorado back home to Jamaica. And you can ship anything there with just a few clicks on your smartphone. Want to put a flat screen TV on mama's wall? Go to places like Amazon.com and Walmart.com. You just click it and we ship it. Mama needs adult diapers and medication? Just click it and we ship it. Someone back home is having a baby shower and you want to send them a nice gift? Just click it and we ship it. Bought a nice pair of shoes for yourself and want to send one to your sister back home? Just click it and we ship it. We ship it all, small and large. And if you want to buy 10 or 20 items and have them put in one box, just click it and we ship it. Now, you're worried about payment. We are a quarter of FedEx and payment is done online. You can use credit, debit card, PayPal or Zelle. And you do not have to pay until the item clears customs. And we are about to deliver them to your loved one. We cover the entire island. We deliver to the garrison and residential communities, and even places in the country that do not have a complete address. Now, you're wondering, how much of this is true? As Mama always said, the proof is in the pudding. Do your research. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. After you are convinced that we are who we say we are and we do what we say we do, click on the link below to create a free shipping account. Speaking of free, I left the best for last. All our customers have the opportunity to ship 4 packages under £5 for free each year. If you want to enjoy this benefit, just click on the free shipping coupon at the top corner of our website after you've created your free account. Let me thank you so much for spending these few minutes of your time with me. Please share our company with your families and friends. And I understand that you are still a little skeptical. So, start with something small. Create an account today. WhatsApp our customer service number, tell them that you saw this ad on YouTube and you want to ship a small item just to test us out. We allow you to ship that to Jamaica for free. So go ahead, create your account, welcome to our company, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to have you touch yard. Blessings.